If you clicked on this video, you know that you need more leads for your business. And unfortunately, this is what stops 90% of businesses from actually succeeding. Most of the time, business owners have a huge gap in their sales process, which starts with the ability to get good leads, which is why I'm going to show you the method that I discovered that allows you to get more interested leads, which really only takes about 2 minutes a day. Because let's be honest, nobody wants to spend time sorting through leads, manually scraping leads, coming up with a list of leads to actually reach out to. And don't get me wrong, finding leads is not the bad part. What the bad part is the mechanism for getting leads. It's not scalable whatsoever, and it's not going to be the best use of your time as a owner or a salesperson to be basically getting leads all day. While there are a ton of resources and tools online to help you actually get more leads, nothing is going to be an infrastructure that's been built and used by thousands of people. So back when I first started my agency, and I was like, okay, cool. I'm going to buckle down. I'm going to do some biz dev. I got to close some deals so that I can make this thing legit. I had the problem with finding leads. And looking back, I did things completely unscalable. I would basically do things like hire people to pull leads and emails using plugins. There's a lot of plugins out there that you can use. They would go on LinkedIn, they go on the client's website, they would use the plugin and get the email. Problem is, this is extremely manual still, and oftentimes the emails that the software pulls were not verified, and I didn't know if the person actually still worked there, if this was the right email. I'd also do things like search manually on LinkedIn. I would be like, okay, cool. I need to filter for the best prospect on LinkedIn. I'm going to sort through all of the contacts on LinkedIn. I'm going to find this person. I'm going to use a plugin, or I'm going to search through their LinkedIn and see if they have their email on there. And again, completely unscalable. And while I was getting a good contact, it was a complete waste of time. And the fact of the matter is, I didn't even know if this email was right or not. I would also do things like scour through the website. Oftentimes you can find the emails on their websites. You can find the CEO's email if there's like a bio and it says email me. But oftentimes what I'd find is the catch-all emails, the info at, and oftentimes the business owner, the CEO, they don't have their email on the website. And if you send an email through a form or whatever mechanism is on their website, the likelihood of that actually getting to the decision maker is completely slim. And finally, I would buy lists. I would just go on Google and I would say, give me a list of 10,000 business owners in my area. And literally it would point me to somebody who is a list broker, and they would build a list for me. And oftentimes it's just extremely expensive, and we don't know where these lists are coming from. Are they verified? Are these lists actually legit? It became a little bit worrisome. And the solution that really took me from burnt out, spending time trying to find leads, find the next deal, to scaling our agency to over $200,000 a month, getting a studio, all that good stuff, was systematizing our lead gen and using software to build lists. So you can use software like Instantly Lead Finder, Apollo, Zoom Info, and so much more. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do this, and it literally takes 2 minutes. So when I was first starting, I wanted to work with people who were local. I wanted to work with anybody with a pulse because I just wanted to get my first couple of deals. So what I did is I just simply typed in San Diego, California, and I wanted to look for job titles. Is any of CEOs, founders, also wanted real estate agent, realtors, mortgage, loan officer. And what this gave me was literally a list of over 11,000 leads instantly for people that meet my criteria. And once I discovered this and was able to implement outbound email with the volume of contacts, I was able to close a $35,000 deal within the first 2 months of implementing this strategy. And guys, this literally took me less than 2 minutes to create this. I can literally select all of the results. I can export them. I can add them to a campaign directly inside of Instantly. And what's also cool about this is there's a 3-step verification process with lists inside of Instantly, guaranteeing if I'm sending an email, it will land in their inbox and I won't get flagged as spam. It's not going to be bounced. It's not going to be a frustrating experience, and you will get your message in front of the decision maker that you want to get it in front of. There's so many uses for this, no matter the niche that you're going after. I love the industries tab where you can find specific industries. You can type in keywords of the industries. You can go for revenue level. You can go for technologies used, and so much more. Let's take another example. Let's just say that we're working with the dental niche. I could simply type in dentist, dentistry, dental. I could do job title of CEO. I could do job title of founder, and I could add more keywords to make this list even bigger, but this gave me 5,000 literally in less than 10 seconds. We can do the same thing for law. Perfect. here's a list of lawyers. I want to only work with people who are using Shopify because I know that they're selling stuff online and it could potentially be a e-commerce company perhaps, or they're looking to scale their online store. Here's going to be a massive list of people that we can then find directly. The opportunities and options on here are endless. It really only takes me less than 2 minutes to find the specific niche that I want to reach out to. And I have so many different variables that I can use to create and build the perfect list. So if you're struggling to get more leads for your business, literally just rinse and repeat the process that I went for. And if you have leads to contact, you'll probably want to make sure you're doing everything right when it comes to the email copy and how you're sending the emails to the contact that you're getting. Which is why in the next video, we're going to look at how you can leverage AI to collect information about the prospect so you can pretty much guarantee that your email copy is going to hit, you're going to get a positive response and close more deals. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.